Good morning. What is up to the YouTube gang? You feels me. Okay. So basically today I don't really have a lot planned, so we about to start our not New Year's journey, but second month journey. Meaning February. If you get me. So my baby just went to work. Unfortunately, we never have my AC just went off. We never have the same days off, so I'm basically I can't even talk. My task today is I'm going to be cleaning out my pantry. Oh, I look rough. Whoa, bitch, I'm a dog. But I'm gonna be cleaning out the pantry today. Fridge, freezer, pantry. So yeah, that's just gonna be a little video of, I guess, getting rid of and organizing. So a little organizing video, which I'm excited about and I've never done. So I hope you guys like. I'm gonna probably speed it up and stop it at the same time, kind of if I'm talking in between, whatever, blah blah blah. I don't really know how I'm about to do this, but we're about to figure it out. So truthfully, I'm probably gonna be throwing out a lot of food, so don't judge, but it's old food. Like, it's just stuff that's been sitting in there for a while, probably expired food and whatnot. So frostbite food that we just don't eat. It's just sitting there going to waste, just honestly taking up space, not anything that I would be able to give to anybody. So don't judge that I'm throwing away food, because it's not something I would give to people. Also, coronavirus.
I don't have corona. I'm just saying, like, we need to be careful, okay?
Keep that in mind. So yeah, you guys will see me during the process of this, and like right after this clip, okay?
I almost forgot the ice, but it's in there now. Hee. Yes, I have a lot of alcohol. Those were gifts. So basically, I'm just trying to get rid of all of the unhealthy temptations. We're really going to try to take this more serious, and I don't want anything to get in the way of us failing. So yeah, I was also thinking about trying to get you guys, or taking you guys along our gym journey and whatnot. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. I kind of defeated the whole purpose of not throwing that caramel sauce and Hershey sauce away. I'm actually gonna go back in the kitchen right now and throw that away. Oopsie. Of course, at the ending of this, my girlfriend wanted me to throw all of that Hershey syrup away. And I just did not have the heart, so that is going to be
So you got
gone as well.
your breakfast, your food, regular food, and then like all this baking and sweet stuff and some instant coffees and stuff. I'm gonna put the snacks that we'll never eat over here because they really not open yet. It's the only one I'm keeping now because they're not open. Like, it's not gonna be eaten.
So why did you keep it?
Bagel seasoning, you're no. I'm gonna put these somewhere else. So yeah. I should probably wash my hands before I eat this. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked. I hope this declutter motivated you. Because I was not motivated to do this, but I did it! I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, that's all I got left. I'm gonna put these spices up and stuff, but this ain't really nothing that goes. Oh, you know what? I will put this back in there though. But hopefully this motivates us a little more to want to be healthy and eat right. I'm excited for this journey, so I'm excited for these that I will never eat or open. And that's that. And that's that on that. Let me know what y'all guys think of this video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Or I hope you like. But make sure you comment and subscribe. And you also like it like that. I mean, the angles.
Do you mean angles? Or are your ankles in the video as well? Asking for a friend.
As amazing as I would have liked them to be, but y'all kind of got to see me in there doing it myself. So that's what I was kind of wanting. Y'all like my little thing? You see me. Alright, guys. I'll be back with another video. Hit me up with comments. Let me know what y'all want to see. Y'all want me to sing again? I'll put some singing videos out. I just need to know. Let me know. Alright. Thank you.